with a vlog for you today, and by the title you guys can tell that it is, I'm either going to title this how to be a paid model, day in the life of a paid model, or just a vlog, get ready with, well, it's not get ready with me, but come film with me. So this is the room that I'm shooting in. I shoot in this like every week. They have different color backdrops. I shot on that orange one last week, and today is gray. And they have all these lights flashing on you.
I'm the co-founder and CEO of Wrldinvsn. Welcome behind the scenes, Wrldinvsn vlog. Right now we got our shoot going, casting call. I got my girl Riri right here. She's been killing it with the content. She set this whole event up, and I mean, I'm just eager to see it. Can't wait. But we about to get y'all a little baby tour. Hold on. Y'all ready? Let's get it. All right, so on this side, we're going in. This is our offices. This is our content room where we meet at. So I get here at 5 o'clock. All right, 5 o'clock. I gotta make sure I'm here. At 6:15, we start our management meeting, and that was going on right here in this content room. And so I bring y'all to the warehouse with the floor things. This is where all the magic happens at Wrldin. We have our customer service team that's gonna be right here. We have our fulfillment tables, where we do most of all our fulfillment with all the packaging. We got a basketball court inside the warehouse so that when we get a little bit of breaks, we can play a little ball. We got our offices over here on this left-hand side. So this one me and Nick right there. Just creating content, just as far as doing most of our working on the computer, meeting with people. Just as far as everything we have right here. This is where we do most of our content. Nadia's office is in here. We do our video editing. A lot of working on the drops over there. And this is going to be our content studio, where we switch this thing out for pictures, photo shoots, videos. We even have over here on the other table, we basically bring this table in the middle, and we do in-house podcasts. And I mean, it's been great just being able to set all this up and get it rolling. And we really appreciate y'all for shopping with us and supporting us. We can't thank you enough. We out of here, Marlon Watts, the best.
Bottoms or small?
Extra.
Okay, here they go. Yeah, extra small. I'm gonna stay in y'all shirt. This shirt wrinkle. And you said medium?
Okay guys, so I am about to start my photo shoot. The tryout is done. They're going to pick the models, give them a call, blah blah blah. So now it's my time to do what I came to do. But yeah, that's basically it. So I'm about to take y'all back into the studio and you guys can see how we pose and how the shoot goes, and everything. I'll probably mute it because we shoot to music just so we can be, you know, comfortable, loose, like, you know, dancing, you know, get good shots and stuff like that. And I can't wait for y'all to see me pose and me in the lights.
Up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories. Lost in time, racing all these broken dreams tonight.
All right, y'all, so it's a wrap. My shoot is done. I got some good footage for y'all to see how we be posing and how photo shoots work. And we can say bye to the casting call. They're gonna choose some people that they want. And yeah, so thank y'all for watching this video and coming along with me. A day in the life of me modeling. I'm still building up my portfolio, so maybe I could model for more brands and companies and stuff like that. But for now, this is one of my first well, my lace is coming up right here because I'm sweating. I'm done. I'm tired. I need to go home. I need to take a nap because I had to get up at 6 in the morning, do my makeup and my hair and stuff. And it is now 12 o'clock and I barely slept because I was watching Real Housewives of Atlanta till like 4 in the morning. So now it's time to finish off my day, run some errands if I need to, and just relax. But thank y'all for coming with me on my journey, and I hope you guys like. If you guys want to shop Wrldinvsn outfits, I will have their Instagram and their website below. I hope you guys purchase. I hope you guys like, and I'm so glad to be working with such a team like them. I hope you guys learned something from them. They also have YouTube videos about how to start a business, a growing huge business, from just 12 t-shirts. I'll have that link below of their YouTube channel, and they're just a very good team of people, very good entrepreneurs, very good, very highly recommended. And they also are hiring people in their area, like students, college students. It's really awesome in there. So I love it here. You know, I love it here. I love it here at Wrldinvsn as a model for them, and I have fun picking the models for the future shoots. And I'm happy to shoot with Jamal all the time. He's awesome. And yeah, y'all, so haven't vlogged in a long time, so I hope y'all enjoyed this one, and I can't wait for y'all to see more videos because you know, it's my birthday month and I'm about to start going crazy. So bye.